Nice. So maybe you could tell us a little bit more about Rosify and like the key issues that you're addressing.
I would love to. So the key issue is capital efficiency. What I kind of started out at the beginning of the call, to where everyone understands it. I'm assuming anyone that's on this call will have an understanding of DeFi's current limitations, to where if you want to take out $100 loan, you'll typically need to offer some surplus of collateral over that $100. Let's just call it $120. You can offer that and then take your loan and then be on your merry way to do whatever you want to. That's fine. It's safe. It's trustless. But at the end of the day, it's not very capital efficient. So we are leveraging ourselves, or we have been leveraging ourselves to start that process for DeFi in a risk adjusted manner by leveraging owning and harnessing the behaviors that they've done or their history on chain to have more of a credit score, which can ultimately afford them a greater capital efficiency, pushing the boundary towards under collateralization in the near future.
Got it. And how long have you been working on this?
So Rosie has been live on Polygon for around 9 months, and over that time period, the protocol has facilitated 36,000 over 36,000 on-chain credit scores and facilitated almost 6,000 capital efficient loans, where a decent chunk of that subset were under collateralized as well.
Nice. And what data do you use to underwrite your loans
So
or the credit scores?
any and everything. So if you we look at every single, right now our coverage includes 9 different blockchains, um, over a variety of different protocols with 4 billion plus data records. So we look at a variety of different things. But if we just want to look at 2 buckets, one is transactional buckets, which is the highest level to say, okay, are you active within the Ethereum or whatever ecosystem? If so, in what regard? Do you participate with indexes? Do you participate within NFTs, liquidity, whatever you may be that you want to do? Or even, do you participate in nefarious type things as well? Are you linked to addresses that have known tags of phishing and hacks and all these other things that unfortunately we have to deal with in an on-chain environment? So from a transactional perspective, that's the first piece of the funnel. And then the second piece of the funnel, which has a heavier weight, is your interactions within other lending protocols on DeFi. So if you're coming to Rosi looking to take out a loan with a very high LTV or even under collateralized, but you've never borrowed from Aave, Compound, or any of the large staple incumbents before, then that's potentially a red flag, not the end all be all, which is why, again, we look at other transactional features to give a holistic viewpoint. But there should be some sort of lending behavior to look at and see the capability for credit worthiness as well. And that includes the Rosi lending platform as well.